All right, welcome to the Hudson Board of Trade. Today we've got the second week of earnings. So we got a bunch up here today. We're just going to go through it and show you what the bets could be this week. So what I do is I look at Maria Bartiromo's Wall Street Week. She comes up with what's happening each day, and then I've made it so we can place bets on these trades. So I've got the earnings dates, Monday the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. We're just going out to Thursday. Right here I've got after market close is AMC, BMO is before market open, and TAS I think can come out anytime during the day. So on Monday we're looking at Ameritrade. The closest at the money straddle is 37, and the straddle for the week is $2. These expire on Friday. So if you think Ameritrade is going to be between $35 and $39, it's currently trading 37, you'd want to sell the straddle. If you think it could break outside of this range, you would want to buy the straddle. The next one on Tuesday after the market close, we have Chipotle. It's currently trading right around $850, and the straddle is worth $57. So the break evens on the straddle are $793 and $907. I just add 57 to 850 and take it away. If you think Chipotle is going to stay inside this range, that's a sell the straddle. If you think it could explode outside of this range, you would want to buy the straddle. Now on Wednesday is our big day. We have Caterpillar. It's trading 133 and the straddle is worth $6. So the break evens would be 6 less 133 is 127 and 133 plus 6 is 139. So if you think Caterpillar is going to be between 127 and 139, sell that straddle. If you think it could break outside of this range, you'd want to buy the straddle. Ford is the next one. The straddle for Friday is 55 cents. It's currently trading $9. So 55 less 9 is $8.45. 55 plus 9 is $9.55. If you think it's going to stay between $8.45 and $9.55, sell that thing. If you think it could break outside of that, you want to buy it. Then we have Microsoft, currently trading right around $138. The straddle is $5.75. So the break evens would be $132.25 and $143.25. If you think Microsoft will stay inside this range, sell that straddle. If you think it could break outside of this range by Friday, buy the straddle. Boeing, it's in the news a lot. It's currently trading around $330. That straddle is worth $19. So if you think Boeing can stay between $311 and $349, sell the straddle. If you think Boeing could break out of this range, buy the straddle. Tesla is also happening this week. It's $255. That straddle's worth $21. So the break evens, 21 less 255, 234 on the downside. On the upside, 276. If you think Tesla is going to be inside this range, 234 and 276, sell the straddle. If you think it could break outside of the range, buy the straddle. PayPal is the last one on Wednesday. It's currently trading around $101. The straddle is worth $550. If the lower range is $95.50 and the upper range is $106.50. If you think it's going to stay inside this range, sell the straddle. If you think it could break outside of this range, you'd want to buy the straddle. Then on Thursday, we got 4 stocks. Before the market open is Twitter. It's currently trading right around 39.5, and the straddle's worth $4. So on the downside, 35.50. On the upside, 43.50. If you think it's going to be in between 35.50 and 43.50, sell it. If you think it's going to be outside this range, buy it. Visa is trading around $175. The straddle for Friday is worth $5. And the break even on the downside is $170. The break even on the upside is $180. If you think it's going to be between $170 and $180, sell it. If you think it could break outside of this range because of earnings, buy it. Amazon, a big one, $17.70 is where it's currently trading. That straddle is worth $75. So on the downside, $16.95, and on the upside, $18.45. If you think it's going to be between $16.95 and $18.45, I want you to sell it. If you think it could break outside of this range, I want you to buy it. And finally, we have Intel. It's currently trading $51.50, and the straddle's worth $2.50. On the downside, that means it's 49, and on the upside, 54. If you think Intel by the end of the week is going to be between 49 and 54, you'd want to sell that straddle. If you think Intel could break outside of this range, you'd want to buy the straddle. Here's just one way to trade stocks that you're probably not familiar with. But here at the Hudson Board of Trade, I'm giving you some simple trading ideas just to start your base of learning. Again, I'm getting these ideas from Maria Bartiromo's Wall Street Week, and then I'm making a basic trade just to inspire you to keep learning. So if you want to make bets on these trades, get in touch with me. I'll tell you how to be a member of the Hudson Board of Trade, and we can take it from there. Thumbs up my videos, and appreciate it. Thank you.